Welcome to level 7. Using the least squares method, plot and find the equation of the line of best fit and the value of the linear correlation coefficient R given points A to K. Here's my points, but notice they're not ordered. I'm going to sort those. Highlight, edit, sort. Sorting according to the x's. Then I want to figure out all of these values. The x times the y is the x times the y, which should give us 0. The x squared is the x squared, which should also be 0. And then fill that across. That should give us 16. Then fill that down. Then I want to get all of my sums. I'm just labeling this just to separate my sums from my last value, because it's easy to confuse your last value with the sum of all of these values. Is equal to the sum of, from here down to here, which is 165. Fill that across, then we have all of those. I need to figure out the n is the number of values. That is 11. I need to know the top, the bottom, 1, bottom 2, the a, the b, and the r. The top is 11 is the n times the sum of all the x, y's, the sum of all these, take away the sum of all the x's times the sum of all the y's. The bottom is 11 times n times the sum of all of the x squareds, take away the sum of all the x's squared. The second bottom is 11 n times the sum of all the y squareds, take away the sum of all the y's squared. The a is the top divided by the bottom, which is 1. The b is the sum of the y's, take away the a times the sum of the x's, all divided by n, which is 11. So the b is 2. The r, the linear correlation coefficient, is the top divided by the square root of the bottom 1 times the bottom 2, close the square root bracket. That gives us 0.919719. R is 0.919719. The equation is y equals x plus 2. The intensity is strong. We go over and graph the equation. The b value is 2. The slope is 1. You see that our line goes through all of our points nicely. Then we press answer to see if we're right. All right, that's it for level 7. Have a good day.